You've probably heard this one. Double a penny every day for 30 days and you'll have $10 million. It's all over the internet. And it's wrong. The real number is 5.3 million. Still incredible, but if you're going to understand compound interest, you need to understand it with the right math. So let's actually run it. Compound interest is interest that earns interest. Simple interest means you earn on your original deposit only. Compound interest means you earn on your deposit plus everything it's already earned. Your money makes money, and then that money makes money, and then that money makes money. It's a chain reaction, and it never stops. Here's the proof. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 25, earning an average 10% annually, by age 65 you'll have over $1.2 million. You only put in $96,000 of your own money. The other $1.1 million? That's compound interest. Now start the same investment at 35, same amount, same return. By 65 you have just $434,000. You contributed $72,000 and earned $362,000 in interest. Starting 10 years earlier didn't just add 10 years of savings. It nearly tripled your total wealth. That's not linear. That's exponential. There's a shortcut to understanding how fast your money doubles. It's called the rule of 72. Take 72 and divide it by your annual return. The result is how many years it takes your money to double. At 10%, your money doubles every 7.2 years. At 6%, every 12 years. At 2%, which is what most savings accounts pay, every 36 years. That one number tells you everything about where your money should be. The three variables of compound interest are time, rate, and amount. And here's the secret. Time is the most powerful of the three by far. You can't control the market. You can only partly control how much you invest. But time? Time is a choice you make today. Every year you wait costs you more than you think. A single year of delay on a $500 monthly investment at 10% costs you over $150,000 by retirement. Not $6,000, the amount you didn't invest. $150,000, the compound growth you'll never get back. So where does compound interest actually happen? 3 places. First, your employer's 401k. If they match contributions, that's free money compounding on top of your money. Second, a Roth IRA, your money grows tax-free, and you never pay taxes on the gains. Third, a regular brokerage account in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. No special rules, no contribution limits, just consistent monthly investing. You don't need to be a stock picker. You need to be consistent. Pick one, automate it, and let time do the work. But here's what nobody tells you about compound interest. It works both ways. Every dollar you owe is compounding against you. Your credit card at 24% interest? That $5,000 balance becomes $8,600 in just 3 years if you only make minimum payments. The same force that builds millionaires is the same force that traps people in debt. Compound interest is not good or bad. It's a tool, and right now it's either working for you or working against you. There is no neutral. So here's how you flip the switch. Step 1. Kill the high-interest debt first. Anything above 7%, credit cards, personal loans, car loans with bad rates. Every dollar you pay toward that debt is earning you 20 to 24% in avoided interest. That's the best guaranteed return you'll ever get. Step 2. Start investing immediately, even if it's $50 a month. Don't wait until you're debt-free to start. Do both at the same time. Because the cost of waiting is real, and it's permanent. Here's your 3-move action plan. 1. Check your accounts right now. Are you earning interest or paying it? If your savings account pays less than 4%, move it to a high-yield account today. 2. Open or max out a Roth IRA. You can contribute up to $7,000 a year. Even $100 a month gets the snowball rolling. 3. Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers on payday so compounding starts before you have a chance to spend. 3 moves, 30 minutes, and you've put the most powerful force in finance on your side. Compound interest isn't complicated, it's patient. It rewards the people who start early, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. That's the whole game. Next episode we're breaking down the exact accounts, brokerages, and automations you need. the tools that make compounding effortless. If this episode changed how you think about your money, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Follow Wealth in Motion. Every episode builds on the last. Start the compound.